Welcome to my very Japanese dinner series. Tonight we got a curry teishoku, one of my old faithful. So dank, but so easy. Chef Curry with the shop, boy. For the curry, you just gotta take a pot, grill some onion and carrots, salt and pepper, then add some of that shredded beef. Stir that in and cook it up. Once it's nice, add water and heat to a boil. Take out that scum and cover. Let it simmer for 15 minutes and cut that heat. Throw in the curry cubes. I dissolve it in the ladle if you can for better taste. Now simmer again for 5 minutes. Ooh, let him cook. Serve over the rice. Oh my heaven. Simple lettuce salad with some tomatoes and our classic corn soup that I love. Here you go. Scandal. You may never eat curry out again if you can make it this easy at home. Bone out the teeth.